Hey, online shoppers, listen up. If you're thinking about buying from Jectcraw store in 2026, let me save you the trouble. This site is a total scam. I've dug through the latest consumer reports, and trust me, the red flags are everywhere. First, let's talk about the fake images. The products shown on Jectcraw store, most are straight up stolen from Amazon and other legit sites. That means what you see isn't what you'll get, if you get anything at all. And customer service? Forget it. The contact emails linked to Jectcraw are tied to a whole network of known scam sites. They're experts at dodging your messages and making sure you never get help. But it gets worse. The site's return policy looks simple, until you try to use it. They'll tell you they're based in the UK, but if you ever try to send something back, suddenly the return address is in China. Shipping costs skyrocket, and most people just give up. Let's not ignore the money side. People have been charged for products they never received, and some have even found extra fees popping up on their bank statements. It's a nightmare. So what if you've already ordered? First, call your bank and report the transaction as fraud. Don't wait. Ask for a chargeback and keep a close eye on your statements for any other suspicious charges. And don't forget to report the website to tools like Google Transparency Report or McAfee's Site Advisor. Bottom line? Always double-check online stores for a real address, honest reviews, and fair pricing before you enter your payment info. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is.